Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to Beautyistic. Have you ever struggled to find the perfect brow product that's not only long-lasting, but also delivers that natural, full brow look without the clumpiness? Well, today's review is all about a product that promises just that. Clinique's Just Browsing Tinted Volumizing Gel. If you're looking for a product that adds volume, definition, and a natural finish without the smudging, flaking, or clumping, you're in the right place. Clinique's brow gel comes in a convenient gel form with a natural finish, and the color I'll be testing today is AB Soft Brown. Let's break it down. First off, Clinique has a solid reputation in the skincare and beauty world, and this tinted gel is no exception. It's designed to be waterproof and smudge-proof, which is perfect for those of us who need something reliable throughout the day. The key promise is a voluminous look without those annoying flakes or clumps we all know too well when it comes to brow products. Now let's talk about how it feels in real-world usage. The gel applies smoothly with a small, tapered brush that allows for precise application. It's easy to coat the brows evenly without feeling like you're adding too much product. Even though the gel is buildable, it never feels too heavy or cakey. I really appreciated how light it felt on my brows, making them look fuller without the stiff feeling you sometimes get with other volumizing products. I've been using it for a few weeks now, and I can confirm that the claims about its longevity hold up. I wore it through a full day of meetings and even a quick workout, and it stayed perfectly in place, no smudging, no flaking. Just brows that look defined and natural all day long. Honestly, it's one of the most reliable brow gels I've tried in a while. Now, let's break down the pros and cons of this product. On the plus side, the formula is truly long-lasting, and the natural finish is a big win if you prefer a more subtle look. The non-clumping aspect is great, as I didn't experience any unwanted buildup or streaks, and it felt comfortable on my skin. The waterproof and smudge-proof claims are spot on, so if you're after a product that can withstand a sweaty gym session or a rainstorm, this one's for you. On the flip side, the AB Soft Brown shade might be a bit too light for darker brows, or anyone who prefers a more intense color payoff. If you're after a bolder, more defined look, this might not be your go-to. Another thing to consider is the size of the product. While it's convenient and portable, some might find the tube a bit small if you're used to brow gels that come in larger formats. In terms of value for money, I'd say it's on the higher end compared to some drugstore alternatives. But if you're someone who needs a brow gel that does exactly what it promises, no smudging, flaking, or clumping, plus a waterproof formula, it's worth the investment. Clinique's quality speaks for itself, and the product performs exceptionally well throughout the day. As for alternatives, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, there are a few good options out there. Some drugstore brow gels also claim to be smudge-proof and waterproof, but in my experience, they don't quite deliver the same long-lasting results. If you're happy to invest in a high-quality product though, Clinique delivers in every way that matters. So, who is this product for? If you're someone who needs a reliable, everyday brow gel that's low maintenance but still delivers natural volume and definition, you'll love it. But if you're after a bolder, more dramatic look, you might want to explore other options. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for tuning in today, and don't forget, if you've tried Clinique's Just Browsing Tinted Volumizing Gel, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. We'd love to hear your experience. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.